Are you looking for a way to connect your iPhone to your old stereo amplifier? Your old amplifier that has CD, cassettes, and everything on your old stereo hooked up that you do not use anymore. It's just sitting there gathering dust. Well, there's a way that you can connect your iPhone to that old system of yours without Bluetooth or any wire. Simply use my gadget. Let me show you how. Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Today I'm going to show you how you can get your new iPhone 11 music through your older stereo system. This is my old Sony system that I got out of high school. When I got it when I first got out of high school. It's about 20 or 30 years old, somewhere around there. And it's an old radio, but it works really good. I mean, the screen doesn't even work anymore, so you can't see anything, but you can turn it up. So it still works really good, and it does what it does. So it doesn't have Bluetooth, and I don't want to put any more money into this system. So what you can do is you can use my gadget to cache your music from your new iPhone right through the older radio without any wire or using any Bluetooth or anything. You simply connect my device onto your phone, and you'll be able to play. Let me show you how it's done, okay? So we'll turn on the radio. That's what's local radio, and we set the radio. I already set the preset to 87.9. So you hear that there's nothing but static. So now I'll have to just connect my device onto the phone, like this. All you have to do, you see the light comes on? All you have to do is match this radio preset, one of the preset station, to the radio. I already have it pre-programmed to 87.9, so it will work. So we simply go to YouTube and play. So now you can see that the music is actually coming from the phone, from the iPhone, right through this radio, and we don't have any wires. Let me show you how it's disconnect, connect back on. And you gotta hit play, of course. You can hear that music coming through loud and clear without any static. And we can switch to regular station like this. That's a radio. That's what a local radio station sounds like. And that's what our music sounds like. And you do not need to crank it up. Unlike other traditional FM transmitter, you had to turn on the volume to compensate for the white noise. With mine, it's crystal clear, static-free, 100% guarantee. So you will not, the music is actually better than your local radio, and you sound just like CD. So this is how you can use my gadget. This is how you can use my gadget to cache your music from your new phone through your old radio, your old home stereo system. Simply connect my device onto your phone, and you'll be able to cache your music wirelessly through any radio that you have. Okay, so this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye. Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. To find out more about my product, please go to iPhone-FM-transmitter.com, iPhone-FM-transmitter.com, or click on the link below to find out more. I guarantee you that this will be the best gadget that you get this year. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.